Welcome to Breaking Down Nigerian Pidgin English. I'm Bafo. Today we're going to look at phrases that you can use when you're at a party or gathering. Come along with me. At a party or gathering, first, starting up a conversation. How far? No be you be Juliet. No be you dey work with John for Zenith Bank. You be Louisa friend. Wetin be your name? Shey I know you? I like your shirt. This place nice. So wetin bring you here? Nice place, shey? Nice place, abi? E dey cold here, shey? E dey cold here, abi? E dey crowded here, shey? E dey crowded here, abi? During a conversation, I fit buy you drink? Wetin you dey drink? I gbadun dis song. I love dis song. Dis na my jam. So, wetin you dey do? Ending a conversation. Well, e dey nice to talk to you. Wetin be your name again? Forgive me, I dey terrible with names. Well, I gats waka. Listen, I gats talk to some other people for that side. You know where the bathroom dey? We suppose block some time. How I fit get in touch with you? You get card? I fit get your number? Make you call me o. I fit call you sometime.